How's everyone doing? So we're back. So I skipped the whole mixing process and all that, and I filled these guys 24 hours ago. I have this little snail and this dragon. So what we're going to do is we're going to demold them and see how they came out. Just got these molds, so I have no idea what they look like. It's tricky right here on his tail because he's got little spikes in there. But so that's the little dragon. Let me give you a closer look on him. Got my little level back in. My level popped out. So we're gonna try him in different colors, different styles. This is the first time I've used him. I really like the way he looks. And then instead, I have a little snail. I'll just demold this guy. These guys are tricky because they have the little horns and things up front, and sometimes you can get air pockets stuck in them, and sometimes if you're lucky, which I was lucky, didn't get anything in there. No. I just went with a basic purple. I found this at my local hobby store. Just wanted to try it out. It's called Reflex Violet. So I like the way it shines. I really like the way it looks on this guy here. I'm gonna really try some different colors. Probably paint some mica powder in there and see what kind of designs I can come up with. The only thing is I just noticed on his tail I had two bubbles right there, but it's not really that noticeable unless you're looking for it. I mean, there are a lot of little nooks and crannies inside the mold here. So just a little short demold video for you guys. So please like, share, follow, and thanks to all my members who bought me a coffee. And without your help and support, this wouldn't be possible. So see you for the next one.